Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel today I want to show you how to make moringa oil with just only another ingredient, which is two ingredients. It's very good for your hair growth. It will grow your hair massively, rapidly, quickly, so it will beat your imagination the way it will grow. Just add it to the pot, and the one is bay leaf you use to boil your meat, and this oil is vegetable oil. So the moringa is the grounded one, the powder one. You can decide to use the normal moringa that is not the powder one. The leaf, okay, I have it too, but I decide to use the powder one. Sorry for the noise, okay. So after some minutes, it's going to be boiling with a low heat. Guys, this is good. It's going to stimulate your hair. It's going to make your hair grow. It's going to remove dandruff. It's going to help your hair to grow faster. You are going to be shocked. It's going to help your hair grow crazy. So after 20 minutes, I remove it with low heat. So now, after getting cold, I'm going to be sipping it with a sipper. You can use cloth, you can use anything that you know that is not going to bring out any chaff at all. So after sipping it this way, I'm going to be keeping it, so using it anytime I want to rub cream on my hair. I use it and massage my hair all over. It's very good. It will stimulate your hair. So you see, it just smooth, okay. If you see sharp, just let it cool down and sip it again. So that is it, guys. Try it out and give me the result, and I know you're going to be happy with it. It's just only two ingredients. Try it out that you can see in your kitchen. Subscribe. Thank